The temperature right now, 64 degrees, no wind. I'm gonna head on out on the road now. Well, looks like Interstate 25 heading north is bumper to bumper. I'm glad I'm just heading back here into country roads, heading to Longmont. And I don't know if you can see on the video, the mountains up here, the Rocky Mountains, don't have a lot of snow for February. Maybe we'll get a lot of rain this spring, which would be great. I'm taking the shortcut to Longmont here, and I hope this dirt road I'm going to get on isn't still muddy. Otherwise, I'm going to have to turn around and head back the other route. We'll find out shortly. No, the dirt road doesn't look muddy at all, so the shortcut was the way to take to Longmont. Keep my eyes peeled here for potholes. So far, so good. Well, the reservoir here looks low, which is understandable with the low snow levels we've gotten this year. Well, I'm not going to have to turn on my heated grips and seat. Not when it's now up to 67 degrees. Yeah, I'll post on the video a couple screenshots I took off my phone where it was actually warmer here here in Firestone, Colorado, than it is in Fort Myers, Florida. 60 in Fort Myers, 67 here. And we don't have the bugs, the humidity, or the constant rainfall. Of course, we could use some of that rain. Back on the pavement again. Hey. Okay, we're taking a right, getting on Highway 287, heading north. Downtown Longmont. McCarthy's Pub doesn't look too busy right now, but it's only 3:45. People haven't gotten off work. Here's one of my favorite barbecue places, Smokin' Dave's Barbecue. That'd be on your right if you're using the point of view. My right, that is. Believe it or not, a lot of the license plates I see here in Colorado are either Texas or Florida. They're more common than the Montana and Wyoming license plates. Boulder's about, I'd say, 11-12 miles south of here, along the Front Range they call it. This is part of the Front Range of the Rocky Mountains. Well, it's good to see Windchill's Donuts is back open. They closed down for remodeling. It's another place I'm going to have to hit this weekend. Well, I'm going to end the video here. This is about the most interesting part of Longmont, downtown Longmont. I showed you the rest is just up ahead will just be McDonald's and Wendy's and stuff you can see anywhere in America or anywhere else probably. Well, I hope you have a great weekend. This has been a fun Friday for me. Over and out.